So good day, sir. Good day, everyone. My name is John Doig Dashurhas, and I will discuss the saturated hydrocarbons, alkanes, and cycloalkanes. So, first, the saturated hydrocarbons are compound made only of carbons and hydrogen with single bond between carbon atoms. Ang cycloalkanes daw or alkanes kay isa ka saturated hydrocarbons that ang iyang compounds or iyang carbon atoms is makakuan siya og ring type or kuan ring form nga kuan yan single bond siya. Then they are commonly found in fuels, lubricants, waxes, and other petroleum based products. So the example is nakita nyo diha natay liquid petroleum gas, gasoline, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, and lubricant oil. So the importance ani is nagaprovide siya energy and nakasupport po sa mga activities sa pangadlaw na to, especially sa atong agriculture. Introduction. Saturated hydrocarbons are compounds composed only of carbons and hydrogen with single bonds between carbon atoms. So ang saturated hydrocarbons daw kay nagcompose siya og hydrogen og nasay single bonds between sa iyang kuan carbon atoms, and they include alkenes o cycloalkenes, and makita ra po ni sa kuan sa para sa giyon ganina makita sila sa fuels, lubricants, waxes, and other petroleum based products din. These compounds is play important role in everyday life in agriculture. So importante jud gini sa kuan kining pang adlaw na to na especially sa agriculture kay ginagamit gini like anang sa mga kuan kagamitan sa agri no ginagamit na siya, and nag-provide po ni og transportation sa machine, tas irrigation pod, and sa other mga agricultural activities. Then understanding their uses and importance help us appreciate how saturated hydrocarbons contribute to modern agriculture and daily life. So let's proceed the saturated hydrocarbons in every life. So saturated hydrocarbons are found in many products we use every day. So first is natay ginatawag nga household, like anang sa household is natay gagamitan na ginagamit nato ang LPG, ginagamit as cooking and heating, and the kerosene which is lamps in stoves, and paraffin wax na ginatawag nato candle no. Then transportation natay gasoline for cars and motors, and diesel ginagamit gapon sa tractors or ubang mga vehicles. Then agriculture, fuels, power, farm machinery, and water pumps. Lubricants, oil helps maintain engines and equipment. So the key point is na naga-provide siya og energy and useful po sa gamiton kini nga mga materials for daily activities sa agriculture operations. So the kerosene, paraffin wax, and lubricants oil. So the kerosene is a petroleum derived hydrocarbons mixture used as fuel for lamps, stoves, in some heating equipment. So concern is the kuan gyapon siya flammable. Then the second is the paraffin wax, made mainly for long chain saturated hydrocarbons used in candles, coating, and other products. So the concern niya is burning siya. And the third is the lubricant oil that contains long chain hydrocarbons, reduce friction between moving machine parts. So ibig sabihin anong mga nitaya na, so if gamitan nato og oil is muhumok siya. Then used in tractors, engines, pumps, and other farm machinery. The concern niya is used oil can contaminate soil and water if improperly disposed. And the kuan always always remember na kini nga product is safety kung responsible ta mo gamit it because they provide energy support sa atong pag-adlaw sa agriculture. So let's proceed the fuels, LPG, gasoline, and diesel. These fuels are very important source of energy used in everyday life in agriculture. So sa akong giingon gain na LPG or liquefied petroleum gas no mainly contains propane and butane. Ginagamit as cooking and heating, and also used for fuel for some equipment. And the gasoline no mixture of hydrocarbons mainly alkanes used as fuel for gasoline powered engines, and used in motorcycle, car, pumps, and small farm machinery. So, contains many so sa diesel fuel contains many hydrocarbon compounds and used in diesel engines. It is very important for tractors, water pumps, in trucks, and other farm machinery. So the concern of the LPG is kuan lang siya kanang semi highly flammable siya because nag-cause mga sa fire or explosion and mishandled. And the gasoline sa maghapon, no? Same gyapon sila. And the diesel fuel nagkuan siya possible siya magkuan siya magaso or immersion can contribute to air pollution. So always remember that the kuan fuels are safely kung gamiton nato as responsible, kung responsible ta nga mo gamit aron maprotektahan nato ang kaugalingon in the other or sa environment. So importance in agriculture conclusion. So why are saturated hydrocarbons important to agriculture? So nga naman importante siya. It because sa farm machinery, no, ginagamit niya sa kuan sa to ang agriculture, diesel and gasoline powered tractors and other equipment. Sa irrigation, fuel powers water pumps used to supply water to crops. And transportation, fuel helps transfer farm inputs and harvested products. In machine maintenance, lubricants, oil protect agriculture machinery. So saturated hydrocarbons support many agricultural activities that helps ensure food production and improve our daily lives. So let us use these resources wisely for productive and sustainable future. So the conclusion is saturated hydrocarbons are important because they provide energy and transportation and machine maintenance needed in a modern agriculture. So however, they must be used responsibly to reduce fire hazard, air pollution, and soil contamination, and also the water pollution. So that's all. Thank you.